and welcome back to our signature adoption series. In the previous videos we have discussed how to send documents to your clients, to your partners or employees using Pandadoc and DOCUSIGN services. So we will use Maria Parker's profile again, and this time we will create a bundle with a few documents, but one of them would have upload fields. So your clients or employees can upload certificates, can upload documents, different files into the form, besides just entering some text and numbers. So let's go to admin and create this new bundle. So we just navigate to Pandadoc template bundles, and here we create a new template bundle. We will put a new contract. And it would be available on this particular domain, but you might have multiple domains. We won't restrict usage to this branch. We have just a single branch for this application, but you might have multiple branches or multiple divisions, and you would like to have certain bundles available only for a particular set of divisions, or branches. And we will select this document, this one. Actually, we will select all of them. So yeah, and just click Save. So now that we have this template bundle defined in our admin, we can actually send it to our clients. Okay, so we will click this Add button and select this contract from the drop-down and click Save. And now we have this bundle created, and we are sending it to Maria. So we have all three documents sent. Let's switch to Maria's interface. So she receives her email, and she knows she needs to sign certain documents. So she navigates to the site, and here she has all these three documents. We have already signed similar documents like these two before, but what we will do here, we will sign this new document, and it is somewhat different, so let's populate. As you can see, these two fields are already populated from our data in the database. So if we switch here to Maria's profile, you can see that we have her social security number and we have her name. So we can actually pre-populate the fields for her here in the form, but for these fields she does need to provide something. So some account, and she signs some date, and here she selects the file she would like to upload. We'll just take this check. You can see it's a JPEG file. So she uploads the file. Then we will select this PDF file, which is passport, right? So she can upload different formats, and when she's done, so all the fields are populated, she clicks finalize the document. So it's done now, and this document is complete. So in this document we had only one side, so Maria needed to sign the document, but our company representative doesn't really need to sign this document. So let's go back to our company interface, and what we see here is this document and three buttons. So red button means the document hasn't been downloaded yet, so it's still in the process. The green button, we already know what green button means. It basically the document itself with the certificate. So you can download this document or print it. And we also have these orange buttons. So one of them is the PDF file we uploaded, and another one is a JPEG file we uploaded. So we had two fields with uploads, and as a result we have these two buttons with files our employee uploaded. It might be a client again, but in this case it's our employee. So this is how it works. You just create a bundle, you put a template with upload fields, and you send this bundle to your client or to your employee or your partner. That's it for now. If you have any questions or you have certain experience with uploads you would like to share, please leave your comment in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.